Welcome back to my channel, and I have my kalachuchi like an island girl. But yeah, we are here at Bolabog area where the famous here in Boracay, where there's a crooked what do you call it, coconut. Most of the people are actually taking most of the local tourists and I would say tourists itself are taking the videos and pictures over here, and most of their Facebook or Instagram is having very picturesque. So I'm gonna show you in here. Okay, let's see if you can climb it here. And it is high tide today. Look at that. See? Oops. Yes, we're gonna go over there. We're gonna do swing also in here. As you can see, there are activities going on in here, and in this area there are a lot, and I may say a lot of jellyfish. But hey, you can see there are people still doing snorkeling in here, because this is also famous for good corals. And you see there's a lot of fishes here, believe me on that. I had a video wherein I featured in this place where I actually seen a lot of creatures in this place, and it's a good spot for snorkeling. And you can see in that place, see, they're doing parasailing in this place. It is at the back beach of Boracay. This is called Boracay back beach, because when it is when it is monsoon, or like it's an off season, this is where all the activities happening. So yeah, and then there's a lot of snorkeling. There are people there, you can see snorkeling. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing, that's the famous the crooked coconut. You can take a picture of that. It's always the picturesque because of the background. Look at that. Pretty, isn't it? And there's another one there, and that's where we're gonna go. And right now we have Dan. Look, Angel. Hi. Hi guys. See how baby picturesque. Picturesque now. Picturesque it is, isn't it? Now look at my background. It's really cool in here, and there's a big sign over there, like I Heart Boracay, and you can see that. See, it's amazing, isn't it? So we're gonna take a video or a picture over here with my kids. So after that swinging moment, swinging moment, so we're gonna run. Actually, if you want some kite surfing lessons, there I have it in here. There's one Freestyle Academy. That's one of the famous here. If you are into kite surfing, or if you're the beginner, you want to dig into it, then come in here and enjoy yourself in kite surfing. That seems like it's very nice. So we are here at the Boulevard. They call it the Boulevard here in Boracay. The Back Beach Boulevard. So you can see how pretty is that? Look at my background. I feel so beautiful in my background. It's crazy. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Just see it, guys. Okay. So.
Mom, look at that swing, Mom.
Oh, see that? So this is what they call the Boulevard. So I heart Boracay. See how pretty it is that. So right now we're gonna. Oh, see that? So pretty. Very, very pretty, right? Oh, Boracay is the best. So yeah, I would say Boracay is the best. What can I say? That's it. Boracay is the best. Look at the background. Look at that. The clear water, activities to come in here. You just have to roam around if you are here. You shouldn't stay in your room, or you have to dip yourself in the water for you to appreciate Boracay, I would say. And you should explore Boracay. Yeah, this is a very small island, yet you can actually find a lot of stuff going on in here, something to do in here. Every day you just have to go out of your room and not only stay in the hotel pools or what, but actually explore the ocean. There's so many, and then if you want into braidings, you can go braidings also. Look, just like my daughter here, have her braiding, and yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful is that, isn't it? So with that said, we're gonna go to the the famous crooked coconut, where it's for Instagram and Facebook profile. Most of it, I actually see it in here. They always not miss on doing it, and yes, we're gonna be there. So yeah, we're gonna go there for pictures. Look at that! Look at how cool is that, isn't it? So let's try to come and have some pictures in there. See that there's so many people are doing pictures in here. Oh, there's another one in there that's no locals in there. So tourists. So let's go in there then. There's a long line in here actually. So like my kids are so brave and still want to go here. They still want to climb up. So for me, I already climbed this one. There's a water down there if you want. Oh, diba? It's so nice. So come and take a picture in here. This is very picturesque place, and so that's the area also. So, oh my God. Oh, okay. You're good now. You're good. Very good. Done. So that's the end of our Bolabog area expedition. So see, as you can see, this is really a backlit with a very pretty place. So I hope you can visit it here if you wanna go. Don't just come and stay in your hotel and stay in your pool. Go out and explore Boracay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.